Hey guys, welcome back to Horse Pen Ranch and Horse Pen Ranch YouTube channel. We're here at Poto, Oklahoma at the fairgrounds, and we are going to cook a big old pot of pumpkin chili and a big old succotash, stuffed with potatoes and sausage and all kinds of good stuff in it. We're cooking for what we call the fall roundup. We're gonna have a lot of people here tonight, probably over 1,000 people that we're gonna feed. Got a couple buddies from Texarkana with their chuck wagons. We're gonna show you some stuff today and some cooking and just the process of that we're going through today. So you stay tuned. American Chuckwagon Association banner up. These boys here, Daryl and Doug Jacobs, they're going to do some beans and some chicken and dumplings. Dan Lassiter's going to do some green chili stew. Everybody's hooked up, getting after it this morning. Bunch of good coals starting there. So there you go.
Like strawberry and a different other kind of color.
Check in with these guys here in a little bit. Do some taste testing. These guys here are lazy. Get ready to get them hooked up on cutting some onions. So we got the coffee on. It's boiled and ready to rock and roll with some good black coffee. Our pumpkin chili will be cooked right here. Did a video on the pumpkin chili here last fall. You can check that out on my recent videos in the past. And then I got the 3-foot skillet again. And so we're doing red potatoes, yellow potatoes, bell peppers, onions, 3 kinds of sausages, including andouille sausage, some corn. And so that'll be a good deal there. So you guys stay tuned. I'll show you everybody here in a minute, and we're gonna got these 2 young men here, Weston Archie and Grady Jackson, gonna help me today. Look at them, fine young men. So there you go, Horse Pen Ranch Chuckwagons. Got it going on, guys. So stay tuned. All right, these boys are cutting up some taters. There's the succotash. We've got the pumpkin chili, 30 pounds of ground meat and everything else under the sun in there. So there you go. There you go. Process still going. Still hooking up. Gonna serve a lot of people tonight. All right, we got the succotash going. Got taters in there, getting bell peppers in there. My big man Logan here helping out, cutting some bell peppers. Weston Archie's cutting some taters down here. Grady's turning keeping it stirred up. Pumpkin chili is done and boiling good. Jalapeno peppers in there. Got tables been put out. Guys over there cutting the calf fries up, getting it going. Got the live music gonna start right there. Beautiful wife showed up. Janessa, say hello. So here we go. We're getting after it right here. Stay tuned. Some close up of the calf fry, guys. Look at them going. Look at this right here. Look at that harvest. That's the hard part, peeling them up, slicing them. It's a rough bunch of group of dudes. It takes some rough guys to do this stuff right here. Look at here. All looking good. All right. You guys keep up the good work. I'm going to come back and sample some later. So we're serving them up here. Got the live music going. We got folks lined up getting some pumpkin chili and some succotash. Folks just now starting to come in. Oh, yeah, chicken and dumplings.
Oh, yeah.
Your heart was cold, you never loved me. Although you often said
Hey, we're worn out. We fed all these people. We're out of food, completely out of food at this event. So thanks for watching Horse Pen Ranch channel. Listen, I have not been able to get a lot of videos done. We've been super busy, but we're going to start doing a lot of videos. So you guys keep tuned to our channel. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Horse Pen Ranch.